Welcome back to our channel. Hey, we've got another unboxing for you guys today. This is for all of us off-roaders. So have you ever been in your vehicle, ours is a Jeep of course, and had just a ton of trash in there at the end of the day, either in your Walmart bag or whatever, or you're just tired of kicking the can in the floorboard and shoving this stuff around? We've got a solution and I think you're going to like it. Stay tuned. We went ahead and after a couple hours of searching, we use Amazon as one of our favorite places to shop, of course, and well, we have an Amazon affiliate store. Check out the description. But this is AllTop and it's 4-wheel drive accessories. This is a spare tire bag, but it's not just any bag. It's an actual trash can for us. And it also, I'm going to open it up here and show you, it's got little pockets you can put your gloves in if you got them dirty, you've been out there using that winch or just whatever, changing a tire and it's got yicky. You've actually got some storage on here. Fits up to a 40-inch tire too. You just can't beat that. So I think it'll help us all out, and the price point on it wasn't bad either. We'll check it out here in just a few and see what it's running. Thanks. Alright, so let's open this up and see what we got. Alright. Nice little storage bag here. Always love. Got some information, how to take care of it, how to actually strap it down, front and back. Like the paper. Don't mind the phones, but I still like paper. Oh wow, this is really neat. This is really cool. And it's big, it's huge, and there's all kinds of compartments. I've got it backwards. That we'll go ahead, and here is your straps that you're going to use. Of course, strap it on. Your adjustments, nice, good, thick, easy peasy, easy to wash out because we all get dust and debris on there. So let's flip it over. This is what you're going to look like. You'll adjust it out. We'll adjust it out once we get it installed. Secure everything down. This is what you're looking like. As you can see, it's pretty good size. You put a pretty good bit of trash and supplies in it. Love it though. Remember that added storage I was talking about for those dirty gloves right here. Easy to wash off. Good vinyl, kind of like a weave here, and even got some reflective on it. And this is from AllTop Overland Equipment. So I think this will help you guys out. I know it will us for our trash solutions. Follow us along. Check out the description. It's going to be in the description underneath the Jeep link in our Amazon affiliate store that you'll, like I said, find in the description.
I'm going to show you all how to install it. It's a pretty installation. You got 4 straps. You cross the top with the bottom of the opposite side and you put it on. That's what holds it tight to the tire. First thing I'm going to do, I've already adjusted my straps out. I'm going to put it from one side together, lay it across, feed it around the tire. Get the top strap about where I think it needs to be. Take the other side, feed it around the back. Hook it to the other side, slowly work it around the tire where it needs to be, taking up the slack as I need. Once you've got the straps adjusted how you need them, this top strap, you need to thread it through either one of the straps, place it on top of the tire, feed it under the other strap. So Velcro it on with the straps hooked, and this here It keeps it from falling off the tire when you're going down the trail. Alright, this is the trail bag installed. Got the top strap on so it won't fall going down the trail. Got the two latches like so. Bag's got drawstring. Got little bungees to hook different stuffs on, and your pockets. Appears to be a pretty good trail bag. We'll find out in upcoming trips. Like and subscribe and follow for more.
Hey you guys, I hope y'all really enjoyed this unboxing of this Jeep gear and the installation of it. Remember, check out the link and like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to help us grow. We appreciate y'all. Thanks again.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the show. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, check out our website at theadventure.net for our blog and Amazon store.